to do one more thing with the Olympics, and I will give you a hint. It has to do with what everybody has been calling the hardware. So I made this chart so that I can count out how many gold, silver, and bronze medals the US got. And I glued the little piece of paper with the numbers on it up here. So now I can make a pictograph. There are a lot of big numbers on here. The United States got 39 gold, 41 silver, and 33 bronze, which means 113 total. So instead of making a pictograph with one medal for each number, I'm going to have one medal equal 3. My table says the US had 41 silver medals. So I said that every medal was worth 3. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. But if I add this whole medal, then that'll be 42. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a little piece off. So if I cut off one piece on the side, like that, now I know that I only have 2 medals. 2 medals, because 2 plus 1 is 3. Without counting, can you figure out which color medal we have the most of and which color medal we have the least of? Try to figure it out just by looking at the pictograph, which is where all of the medals are. Since in this table, in this pictograph, we used multiples of 3 to count the medals, I thought it might be cool to count medals individually. So I'm going to do that with just by looking at the gold medals, because gold medals, if you earn a gold medal, that's what considers you the Olympic champion. So I found this table, and the title of this table is USA Olympic Medal Results by Event. So looking down the list, we don't have any in archery, we don't have any in artistic swimming. We have 7 in athletics, so I'll highlight that. I'm just going to highlight the word. I don't really know what athletics is. I'd have to Google that. Let's see. None in badminton, none in baseball, none in softball. 2 in basketball. One in basketball 3x3. One in beach volleyball. None in boxing, none in canoe slalom. Again, I don't know what that is, but we didn't get any medals, so that's okay. 1 in canoe sprint. None in BMX racing. Come back over to the top. 1 in cycling track. None in diving, none in equestrian. 1 in fencing. None in soccer. 2 in golf. 2 in gymnastics. None in handball, none in hockey, none in judo, none in karate, marathon swimming, modern pentathlon, rowing, rugby. Back over here to the top. No sailing. 3 in shooting. None in skateboarding or sport climbing. 1 in surfing. 11 in swimming. That's probably our best sport. None in table tennis. 1 in taekwondo. none in tennis, trampoline, triathlon, 1 in volleyball, 1 in water polo, none in weightlifting, and 3 in wrestling. Uh-oh. There we go. I don't even see my favorite sport on here. My favorite sport is rhythmic gymnastics. Maybe I cut it off of the list somehow? I know we didn't get medals in that, but it's not on the table, so that makes me sad. So I printed out this table. I'm going to use this as my graph. So I'm going to start by labeling it. So here is my completed bar graph. And obviously it's a little bit more complicated than just being able to say which sports are our best events, because different sports give out, or different events, sorry, give out different numbers of medals in general. But overall, this is where all of our gold medals went. So it's cool to see where we got the gold medals in this visual format. So where did we get the most medals? Where did we get... What was our average gold medal count? Can you figure that out from the table? See what else you can learn about our gold medals based on this table alone.